Think finance tools are complicated? AI has changed everything. Most people avoid finance tools because they think, I'm not good with numbers or this is too technical. But here's the truth. AI now does the hard work for you. Let's start simple. Tools like Mint or YNAB don't ask you to be an expert. You just connect your bank account and AI automatically tracks where your money goes: food, rent, shopping, everything. Next level? Tools like ChatGPT or Claude act like a personal finance assistant. You can literally type, "Help me create a monthly budget," or explain investing like I'm a beginner. And AI explains everything in simple language. And if you're a freelancer or small business owner, tools like QuickBooks or Xero use AI to record income, expenses, and reports automatically. You don't need accounting knowledge. AI categorizes and organizes everything for you. Here's the mindset shift. You don't need to learn finance first. Start using AI tools, and you'll learn finance naturally while using them. This is how people go from zero knowledge to financial confidence, and even 6 figures. Not by being smart, but by using smart tools consistently. Follow for smart finance, AI tools, and simple ways to grow your income.